Hey everyone, it is Danielle with Wooddhaven Craftabulous. I am here at my local Meijers. Sorry if you can't hear me. I am trying to be quiet because it's kind of packed in here and I don't want to look weird. But this is my local Meijers yarn aisle. It's a bit of a mess, so I apologize. But they've got the sugar and creams on sale for 3 for $5, which is a pretty good deal. Loving those blanket yarns, especially that yellow and gray one up at the top. We've got some other Bernat baby blanket, some scrubby yarn, Karen 1 pounds, Karen jumbos, some more Bernat's value. I'm missing everything down at the bottom. I apologize. Yeah, see, you can see up at the top, it's kind of a mess. Yarn just everywhere, yarn hanging out of the aisles. It's kind of a little bit of a disappointment. I'm loving that wool ease though. I've always wanted to try it and I haven't tried it yet. Got some scarfies, some more Bernat blanket, more Bernat blanket, seems to be popular here. Some Kaboo, which is like the cheapest price I think I've seen it at a retail store, unless it was on clearance at Walmart, which my Walmart has it for $2.50 right now for the Kaboo. See, just a mess all over. I think just somebody came through and just threw all the stuff in here. There's labels popped off of yarn, so yeah, this is a bit of a disappointment, but this is my local Meijers. Just saw everybody doing those videos, so thought I'd share mine as well. Yeah, see all that yarn just out of the case. And then they've got all of the needles and hooks and such. But yeah, that's my small aisle. Alright, bye guys.